Are you interested in a comprehensive reporting platform where you can see all your team and company's performance to make the best decisions? Meet HelpScout, a specialized customer support platform designed to expand teams to provide the highest possible level of customer service. When you use HelpScout reports, you will have access to a platform that handles all the heavy lifting for you from the beginning, and there is no requirement for customization. Let's see all the data you can track with this tool. You will be able to evaluate the volume of your team's work based on the channel, the busiest hours, and the currently popular themes among your consumers. In addition, you can monitor all of the essential data associated with the chat, such as the duration, wait time, and response time. HelpScout allows you to evaluate your article's performance on the Beacon and Doc sites, including information such as the answer rate and the amount of time saved. You can track client satisfaction ratings so that you can award high fives to your team and put a smile on the face of a dissatisfied customer. You can also get a summary of the email productivity of your staff, including figures for response time, resolution time, and total handling time. Besides, you will be provided with a summary of phone calls and information regarding which team member communicates with clients the most. As can be seen, HelpScout delivers everything necessary for a manager in a single location. You will be able to view every individual's main performance data, such as the average number of chats they have per day. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. You can provide excellent customer service today. So why wait? Try HelpScout now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.